Okay, awesome. So what we'll do today is we'll run an image local ad, right? With an actual image and no detailed targeting, no keywords. And so over here, yeah, we'll post it on the business page first, and then we'll just kind of go through the basic editing, and then run it.
Okay.
So
we can see where that photo is if we, or do you want me just to post it again as a new?
no, we can definitely go off of the one that you already posted.
Okay.
And this is definitely the strategy, you know, running some videos and then mixing it up with some images and just continually branding that face to that local area. That's all it's about. And building up these custom audiences. So what we're getting out of it is the custom audiences of the video views, and then also the custom audiences of the engagement of the post, and then custom audiences of those who are actually clicking on it, landing on the page, but just haven't opted in yet. So it's the data that we're also getting on the back end that is priceless. So that's what you have to also keep in mind. So perfect. This image right here.
Yep, there it is.
I love it. Awesome.
Yep.
So let's see if we need to add. Click on the three dots and just go into edit. Let's see if there's anything necessary. And it's really just on the video as far as editing a thumbnail. Yeah, see, there's really nothing else. It's just text and image. So it's really nothing else you need to. And to tell you the truth, the hashtags are not, when it comes to I mean, you can leave them, but now that we're going to actually run an ad, they're not even necessary. But
well, and these are geared towards recruiting anyways.
Yeah.
Join me, business partner, all of that. So I can just stream over from Instagram. So I'm fine.
Perfect. So, okay, cool. So everything here, I got a call today from a broker. Okay, so let's go back. So the goal is simple. See that right there, the second part. I got a call today from a brokerage saying how fabulous I am doing. The art of, so when it comes to text, it's called copywriting, right? That's what the term, the verbiage, that's the correct terminology for text in an actual post or text on an ad. It's called ad copy. When it comes to ad copy, the best of the best tell stories. So if you start looking at ads and start paying attention to ads that you start seeing on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, the ones that actually grab your attention are those that are story based.
Yep.
Story based. You end up catching yourself reading the damn thing, and you're reading someone's story.
Yep.
Right. So that right there is freaking awesome. I got a call today from a brokerage saying how fabulous I am doing in business, and they wanted to know my secret. I told her my secret is I care. Right. So bam, you already got me. I'm like already reading your shit. It's like that right there. Start getting used to that or practicing that. It's storytelling. It's all about storytelling.
Yep.
Okay. So that's perfect. The call was wonderful, and I made a new friend, of course, but I'm unrecruitable. I already have the best scroll down. So I'm attracting the best. I'm building an empire, and our clients feel so. Scroll down, and every time I help, we are just one call away. Okay, perfect. So let's put something together as far as at the very end, as far as click and learn more, as far as putting together a seller guide, as far as maybe a quick little bullet point, or not even a bullet point. It's really just the ending. It's not even a bullet point. That's the end right there. I'm building an empire, and our clients feel that care each and every time we help them buy or sell. So we're just a call away. After that, something about click and learn more, something about the fact that you put together a seller guide and you'd love to give it away for free. So if you click learn more, you can download a copy today, something like that. Yeah, we care so much. Perfect. We care so much. We want to share our free seller's guide with you. Click learn more below to download your free copy today. Yeah, perfect. So in this case, we're going image, we're going text based. So now the text is more important than anything, because we have to be able to tell that story via text. So yeah,
can I take this out of here.
Yeah.
Recruiting.
Yeah. And then that bullet point as well, that little dot, get rid of that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
And then maybe here too.
Perfect. And this editing up,
Maybe, what if I switch this to where I cut this, grab them here?
yes, grab them there. That's the hook. So,
Yep, and then the goal is simple.
okay, so it goes in this exact order. Remember this, and I'm recording it for you. So, I mean, don't really worry about remembering it, but just keep this in mind. Even jot it down because it's really that important. It's really this important, and it's really this hardcore, effective, and simple. The three what's the word I'm looking for? Just in order from 1 to 3. When it comes to add copy, it's hook, story, and then the offer. And that's exactly the format that we're following here. The hook, the goal is simple. The hook, the story, and then the offer. Click learn more to download our free, right? So that's the format. Hook, story, offer. So if you can remember that, write that down. That is the most important format in advertising. Hook, story, offer. Grab their attention by hooking them, tell them a story, and then give them an offer they can't refuse. Okay. Hook, story, offer. Okay, perfect. And again, the reason why this editing upfront is so important, because as we go back to go run, as we go in the back end, the ads manager to run the ad, we can no longer edit this. So all the editing must be done upfront right here. Okay, so that's perfect. So that's super perfect. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, me too.
So we'll save it, and then we'll run that. And it's weird because the last time I went in and ran an ad, and it was an image ad, and then I go and use existing post, it wasn't there for whatever reason. So if we have to pull that from the, we'll figure out once we get there. Let's go to the ads manager. We'll see if it's every account or if it's just a few, which was weird. Because with the video, you put on the page first, and then you come back here, use existing post, and grab the video, and it's that exact post. But sometimes images, you can't find it, so you have to run it. You have to post it again here. We'll see once we get there. So let's go conversions. We'll go conversions, and then we'll just title everything here at the bottom. Let's get in the habit of just titling everything right now. So campaign name, image ad, photos flying in the air, or whatever, whatever name you want to give that. Image ad, home toss. Perfect. And then in parentheses, conversions. In parentheses, conversions. And then the ad set title would be the county, the daily budget. We'll go Thurston County / daily budget. Or you could put in parentheses. Yeah, that's perfect. $10 a day, perfect. And then the ad could be the same, image and home toss. Yeah, that's the ad. Perfect. Cool. Okay, cool. And then continue. Awesome. Perfect. And then special ad category, housing. And then, we'll scroll down and then just always make sure this is off, and then next. Perfect. And then see, so in this case, we come to the ad set level, which is step 2, and the conversion event is not there. So sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. So go ahead and click on it and then just find that conversion event.
We have this issue.
Actually, I think you just passed it. I think it was at the top. Seller guide leads. Perfect. That's your custom conversion. Awesome. So there it is there. And then we'll leave that off. And then we're down to the daily budget. We'll go daily, and then we'll start it tomorrow at 6 a.m. And then it's always good to set an end date. Set it for 7 days. And I actually have, and I'll ask. Actually, no, I don't need. Yeah, I actually have a call with Facebook Friday. So once you start to spend a little bit more, not even a lot, once you spend like a few hundred, like Facebook will start to reach out to you and allow you to set up a call with them. And it's a 45-minute call where you can ask them questions and get very specific about everything. It's an actual Facebook rep. So I have that call on Friday, because a lot of things have changed with Facebook, and what I'm referring to is the date, setting the calendar date and letting it run. Before, it used to be where you can run the ad for 4 days, look at the data, and determine if you should turn it off or leave it on, right? And then and so now it's somewhat 7 to 10 days. They recommend leaving it on for at least 7 days to figure out the data and determine whether you should leave it on or off. So I have a ton of good questions for them on Friday. So we're going to continue to improve on all this. So, but in the meantime, set it for 7 days, and let's for sure chat in 5 to 6 days. We'll review this in 5 to 6 days.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay. So locations, change out the United States. We won't put any custom audiences. And that's another question I have for Facebook about custom audiences. So I have a lot of good questions that I'm going to be asking them.
Cool.
So people living in this location, perfect.
I think so. Remember, does it let us? Oh, it does. Remember last time it wouldn't let us,
Yeah. So,
but now it's going to.
so if we're going Lacey, then change the title at the top. And what I would recommend is sticking.
Oh, no, I want to do Thurston County still.
Is it Thurston or you want to go Lacey? Or
Lacey is
Lacey's
in Thurston County,
Thurston, yeah.
but Thurston County covers the whole county.
Yeah, we'll stay focused on just Thurston. Then let's just penetrate that one county, which covers it all. So perfect. So that's there. People living in this location. We're good there. We're good there. Detailed targeting, we'll leave it broad, wide open. Automatic, we'll leave it on that. And then next. Okay, perfect. So now let's see if that image, if we can pull it, which I'm pretty sure we can. Click on create ad, and then we'll go use existing post. Okay, select post. And see if you find it. Yeah, there's a bunch of images in there, so you should be able to pull it for sure. Awesome. There it is there. Perfect. Okay, cool. And see, so that's the good thing about using an existing post is the fact that you have that engagement already on there, the shares, the likes, the comments, right? So it looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. So perfect. We'll grab our landing page and then post it in there. Perfect. So we'll paste in the landing page link, update post, and we'll go with learn more. And then you can see down in the tracking, if you scroll down, you can see everything is green. So the pixels on there, there's the .com. So everything is good there. And then we publish, and that's it. And so we have our custom audience set up of landing page visitors. And so that's what we're looking to build, is that custom audience. Yes. So that's going to be good. So do you have a ton of images like this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Perfect. So then running a ton of images are powerful too.
I've got one, let's see it right here. Right here. I've got another one right here.
Awesome. Really good. These are good images. So
yeah.
So now, okay. So again, hook, story, offer. As you start to put together more ads in the future, that's the format, right? So now you know how important storytelling is. Start telling.
Well, and I feel like I've started to like really optimize on that lately, and I keep getting people hitting me up being like, wow, like your posts are so good, because I've really leaned into that, like telling a story that goes along with whatever the
Yes.
And I've been getting a ton of messages because I posted one about a girl that I did a training with, John Toya, and couldn't figure out what her niche was. And that real estate is like, finding your real estate niche is like trying on pants. You're not going to go in and try on one pair. You're going to go in a bunch of pairs. I leaned into like that being the story then that I told, and people ate it up. And I've just been doing
Yes.
People love it.
Yes, that's what it's all about, because psychologically we are used to hearing stories. Like we've been learning stories since we were babies, right?
Yep.
Like most of us, had somewhat loving parents. I mean, my mom would read me books, tell me stories, right? Like, so we're already programmed to fall in love, not fall in love, but we're already programmed to fall into the tunnel of reading a story, and that's what allows us to gravitate to the storyteller and feel like we know them, right? Or feel like we can relate to them, or feel like we can trust them, or feel like we can like them. They're telling us a story, so, and that applies for ad copy, and that also applies for public speaking. So when you're on stage or when you're on video, tell a story. Hook, story, offer. Right. So okay, so in this case, when it gets stuck like that, just open up a new tab and just go back to the actual ads manager. And then just click on the blue button in the top right. Those are the three that are stuck. So you just click on that, click on the green one, and then we're good. And you can close out the other window. So this should go publishing 3 of 3. Let's see. Yeah, leave. And then perfect. Turns green. Okay, good. So we're good. Okay, awesome. So you'll get an email from Facebook later on today, and then that ad will go live tomorrow.
Cool.
Okay. And then what else do I want to tell you? On this part. I forgot what I was gonna say on that one, but let that one ride. Let that one ride, and then we'll chat in a few days on that one.
That sounds good. Yeah, that's perfect. Because then hopefully this one will get some more attention. And I know that photo, like I had said before, that photo really has captured a lot of attention previously. So I feel like it's likely to get more attention just because it has in the past. So
I love it.
good. Yeah.